switching lanes on my way to Napa. Baby drove way down from Sac. You know my face card heavy, baby. I can't just hang out on the Sac. A couple nights at the Stanley Ranch, I'm smashing that. You ain't got a
Right,
trip,
that's the
I
thing that you
can
said
handle
doesn't come off.
It's really expensive. Well, no, they didn't have it on there.
Oh, okay. The Bilsteins. You can see how the stop techs are mounted. Stainless brake lines.
Yeah, I really think it's from the oil filter. Yeah, no, 100%. It's coming from up there, so I really need to take care of that.
Just got a little leak there.
Oil filter housing.
Are you able to see it at all?
What the fuck is that noise?
Oh yeah, you can see some pulleys. Yeah, I did hear that. It sounded more up, like higher up though.
This car's settling probably.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You can see some.
All that will be replaced.
Yeah, there's so much shit in there.
Oh, and you know what? Is that coming from the drain bolt? Or is that coming? Look, there.
Nice. So, let's see his AFE. Needs a new exhaust.
There we go. Just like that.
Damn, bitch. So now, plenum needs to come off.
Yeah, bro, this tool's gay. Oh my god, if I can put it on. There we go. This connector on.
Okay, well, got it off. The most important thing, make sure it's just completely straight, and then you just press both sides and just pop off super quick.
So it's just this line, but I honestly don't care if we... There we go.
There it is.
Okay, so here, if you would like, real quick, could you hold?
Record, you do it though.
So...
Just gotta make sure to
nothing
use
gets in there.
very dirty carbon fiber towels. We rubbed it in some sand beforehand.
So there is bolt there and bolt there. So yeah, there we go.
There we go. I see. Alright, so now
We are taking out rails. Alright.
no,
Actually, not bad.
not much at all.
No.
I don't know. I was expecting it to more spray, but that's probably high pressure.
Me too.
Cleaning each injector hole. There's the old injectors. So now it's just cleaning time, and we'll get back to it. 2010. So, before the old filter. So, all clean, ready for the new filter.
With the putting the lube on it, it went on. Wow. How is this?
It just, the O-ring.
Okay. I thought I felt something bending. Okay, that's where the fuel is.
Yep.
Okay, here goes nothing. Ready?
Yep.
We don't want to bend the line. We don't want to bend the line. Oh boy. It actually is hard because you don't want to bend it too much, and by pulling it, it's scary. It's
Give it a little twist.
I'm trying.
Yep.
Because all I have to do is reset fuel adaptations. That's what I will have to do. Okay, let's get started.
So as we've looked, these injectors, you can see,
Actually, hold on.
hopefully you can see.
Get fresh ones on.
Okay, these are genuine. Okay, you can't tell, but they're genuine, and they're from 08.
Straight, Jack. Straight. Ah. Oh, there we go. Okay. Solid. It's held in. Okay, as long as that's not touching anything. Now we're gonna have the problem of works. I hear a, yep. Like I knew I heard a M3 in Dravit gray too, individual color. Go film that.
Little G80, brand new. X drive.
So nice. So nice. Okay, yeah. Just literally hold it like that. You know, before we put it on, just want to make sure there's nothing.
All four are on, ready to go in.
Yeah, it's real dirty. See, once I.
There you go. Perfect.
Ah, it's touching!
Is this hose right here? Wait. There you go.
Why is it not?
Okay.
I think 'cause I just have to.
You just gotta put the bolts on.
They're like crooked. I don't want them crooked.
The roll coming off, and then other rail gotta pop out. So, yeah. Okay, something to note that's very important. We just had an injector that the O-ring did not come off with it. So, make sure to check that. And if it comes off, doesn't come off, make sure it does or doesn't. It's the one up top. So switched over to the GoPro. Hopefully it's not complete shit, but taking the last one out.
Making sure we had all O-rings accounted for.
Yeah, always make sure you got your O-rings.
Oh, shit. Yeah, this side is. Make sure we're not leaking fuel where we don't want to be.
It's been a pain. We got
Those
this
are all
side in. You can see right there, all four laying.
Boom. Okay. No
Out.
O-ring on
Original.
the ports now.
This car. And then to clean the ports, because those get fucked. And just now they're cleaned. Gotta put injectors back on, reinstall. Gotta get the last in, and then just go this right back here, and then that valve. There you go, you're good.
My favorite flower. Have them hitting on that. Okay, perfect.
Do you want? Oh, sure.
Can you adaptations?
Sounds good.
Now we'll do the take reader out. First, let me make sure these are all nice and straight.
Oh yeah, reconnect. Connect it. And then time for that.
Okay, cool.
No. Gotta disconnect this. Break the two.
I need to figure out the special. Okay, there we go. Now we just have to worry about that.
Yeah. But we'll figure out this one first. Oh, here, let's move this back. Oh, it might have been better to unplug one of the injectors. Or keep them unplugged.
And we finally have got it. These clamps, if you don't know, are a pain in the ass. There it goes.
Yep, okay.
Out with the old in with the new. You can see now a little better here are these really annoying style clamps. Another fellow E92 over there. Okay, I see. So we're right on where it snaps into that interior color too. Put some rubber clean. Can you hand me the total rubber clean for the orange one? The best shirt. It's okay. There we go.
You ready to move it? There you go.
I just squeeze.
You're good, you're good, you're good.
That's it?
Yep. That's it.
Okay. But it all, these cars are very sensitive with their the air control and the management. Yeah, seated properly.
The lovely runners. Oh. So it gives
dirty
it
in
the
there.
great noise. Alright. So it's red. It's got iDrive. It should not have iDrive. It's got no PDC, so it'd be easy to remove it. So Jack should remove it, huh? On. Gotta tighten the two clamps, reconnect this breather. Hey Jack.
Yeah, that's fine.
Battery back. Go ahead and connect the computer, and then you reset the fueling adaptations, and you're good. I don't want to be liable.
Hell yeah. Adaptations. Look at that say fuel control.
I don't remember.
Fuel pressure control. Apparently it's gonna rev itself. That's cool.
Really? Cool. Get out of your way.
66. We have 112 seconds of remaining service life left. And then it breaks.
Well, isn't that just for like the procedure?
I don't know what it sounds like the AC.
Oh, please wait. It turned it on by itself?
I think so. I thought I had it on.
So extremely smooth. You'll probably balance a quarter on it. All right, I'll see you over there. And the Tessie today. Can't show you the code.